Fourth problem, the sides of a triangular plot are in the ratio 3:5:7. Its perimeter is 300 meter. Find its area. We need to find out the area, and the sides are given in the ratio. So let's start the solution. So first we will write down the sides. We need to take out the sides from the ratio. So let the sides be 3x, 5x and 7x. Now with the help of these sides, and already the perimeter is given, okay, so when we know the sides, what will be the perimeter? Sum of the sides. So perimeter is equals to, so we can write 3x plus 5x plus 7x is equals to 300. So 3x plus 5x is 8x, 8x plus 7x is 15x is equals to 300. 15 goes down, so it will become x is equals to 300 divided by 15. 15 ones are 15 twos are, so we will get 20. So therefore x is equals to 20. Now we are having x value 20. So now sides will become, now sides are, what will be the sides? 23 into x. First side 3 into x is 3 into 20, which will be 60 meters, okay, and 5 into x, so 5 into 20, which will be 100 meter, and 7x, so 7 into 20 is equals to 140 meters. So we got all the sides, and we need to find out the semi perimeter for Heron's formula. So semi perimeter is equals to 300 by 2, which is 150. Okay, now to find out the area, we will use Heron's formula. Using Heron's formula, so the formula is area is equals to under root of s. S is nothing but the semi perimeter, that is 150 into 150 minus a. A is the first side 60, and 150 minus 100, and 150 minus 140. So 150 into 150 minus 60 is 90, into this will be 50, and this will be 10. Okay, so here if we take out the factors, we will get like this. Okay, otherwise we can write like this: 3 into 50, 150 into 90, 90 into 10. I want to do 90 into 10. Okay, first I will write one more 50 here, and 90 into 10 is 900. So except 3 is alone, okay, 50 is in pair, and 900, for 900 also we can take out the square root. So for 250s we will get 150 out of the root, and 900, for 900 the square root will be, for 9 it is 3, for 2 zeros we will get 1 0, and this 3 will remain inside. Okay, so 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, and 2 zeros under root of 3 meter square. So therefore area is equals to 1500 square root of 3 meter square.